In today's show, Bitcoin price dips below $34,000 as day at Grayscale's giant BTC unlocking draws near. That's right, in today's show I'll be breaking down the latest technical analysis. We'll also dive deeper into the infamous death cross, which is on everyone's mind right now. As Crypto Ed points out, a death cross is overrated. The only thing it's telling you is that you are very late when opening shorts. Most of the down moves already happened before the cross, and as Adam Back points out, seems like historically, Bitcoin death cross is an inverted indicator where price typically went up, oops, and life cross dumped, double oops. Too much technical analysis and short-term momentum trading. Buy, hold, and repeat. Also in today's show, I'll be sharing these two risk factors which could delay the Bitcoin bull market, according to on-chain analyst Wooly Woo. That's right, he's unveiling two key factors that he believes could stall Bitcoin's price expansion. I'll be breaking this down for you in today's show. Also in today's episode, here's when the alt season rocket takes off, according to crypto trader Tyler Swope. That's right, even though Bitcoin's struggling to regain that 40K resistance level, and Ether is now toying with dropping down below 2,000, Swope tells his 253,000 subs there will be another alt season, and it will come sooner than some may think. Quoting him right here, there will be more than a few other alt seasons coming this year, and a big one I project happening begins in July. Around the middle of it, there are always signs that the market wants this to happen. I'll be breaking this down for you. Also in today's episode, top crypto analyst expects massive rallies in Bitcoin and Ethereum before 2022, but there is a catch. That's right, crypto Kaleo shares his predictions for the second half of 2021, which include Bitcoin entering six-figure price discovery and Ethereum breaking above $10,000. He even shares his 2022 and 2023 predictions. I'll be breaking this down for you. We'll also be taking a look at the overall crypto market. As we can see, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and most all the major altcoins currently in the blood red. But where's the Bitcoin price likely to go next? Find out all this, plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day, so be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right, and turn on all notifications to receive daily premium Crypto News Alerts every single day, including weekends just like this. And before I kick off today's show, today's episode is brought to you by our sponsor, BlockFi, the leading provider of financial products and services for crypto investors. Here's where you can put your crypto to work. They're currently paying out a 5% annual percentage yield on Bitcoin, so you can literally have your Satoshis work for you. They're also paying out a 10% APY on select stablecoins, and the other flagship product is a BlockFi Bitcoin Rewards Visa credit card, where you can receive 3.5% Bitcoin back on all purchases within your first 90 days. They also recently ditched their annual fee, truly making this a no-brainer to take advantage of it, as well as receive up to a $250 crypto bonus with a deposit of $100 or more. Go ahead and use my referral link in the description right down below. Let's start stacking those sats and claim your BlockFi Bitcoin Rewards Visa credit card today. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV. We have a lot to cover as usual, so let's dive right in. Hope you're enjoying your weekend, by the way. Bitcoin dropped to local lows of $33,750 this morning, June 20th, as fears over weak support levels prove to be well-founded. As you can see right here on your screen, it shows you the Bitcoin 1-hour candle chart. Now, data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView showed Bitcoin swiftly dropping below 34,000 on Sunday after choppy behavior at the start of the weekend. Now, a come down from resistance at near 40,000 continued to unfold, with low volumes highlighting little interest in protecting the price action much above 30,000. Now, order book data from Binance confirmed this on the day, with sellers eradicating a major buy wall above 36,500 to leave the next significant support level at just $31,000. Right here, you're looking at the Bitcoin buy and sell orders on Binance as of June 20th. Now, among traders, talk mostly revolved around the so-called death cross on the Bitcoin daily and hourly charts, which occurred on Friday. This refers to the 50-day moving average crossing over the 200-day moving average and is traditionally considered to be a bad omen for price stability. Historically, not all death crosses have resulted in losses. As Cointelegraph reported, some are followed by bullish phases. Here's quoting Crypto Ed right here: a death cross is overrated. The only thing it's telling you is that you are very late when opening shorts. Most of the down moves already happened before the cross. And in a separate commentary, Adam Back, the CEO of Blockstream, likewise took Twitter users to task over negative skew given to death cross events, as he shares right here. Read the rest of this thread. Seems like historically, Bitcoin death cross is an inverted indicator where price typically went up, oops, and life cross dump, double oops. Too too much technical analysis and short-term momentum trading. Buy, hold, and repeat. And he's responding to this tweet right here by Jax's Trader. Death cross, the heavily discussed moving average 50 versus the moving average 200 death cross, and why it is not what they are trying to sell you. What is it supposed to be? Is it really a sell signal? What truly happens? And the takeaways from the death cross, is it really a sell signal? Well, that's what the puppeteer want you to believe. Truth be told, moving averages are a powerful tool when used in the right way. This is not one of those situations, and I will show you exactly why. Check the show notes below the video in the description to check out this entire Twitter storm regarding the death cross. Now let's talk about grayscale investors getting a sell opportunity. Another theory about price direction involved an impending unlocking phase at institutional giant Grayscale. That's right, the coming weeks will see a large chunk of investor funds released after a 6-month lockup period, with the potential for selling pressure to therefore increase as accredited investors seek to offset some of their losses, which are realized after selling their Grayscale Bitcoin Trust shares by selling Bitcoin on the spot market. Thereafter, by contrast, there should be a significant lack of sell-side activity. That's right, as you can see right here, brought to you by buybt.com. Once you purchase into the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, you must hold your position for a minimum of 6 months. Now, fundamentals are also seeing increasing retracement. A look at network fundamentals, meanwhile, gave additional cause for concern, talking about the hash rate specifically, already in flux thanks to shifts in minor distribution, which fell below 100 exahashes per second, having previously hit a peak of 168 exahashes per second. Other estimates, while not exact, also depicted the hash rate downtrend, and as we all know, the Bitcoin price follows the hash rate. Now, difficulty, fresh from 2 consecutive downward adjustments, was on track for a third leg down of around 9.7% at the next in around 9 days' time. The last time that Bitcoin saw 3 downward difficulty adjustments in a row was during the capitulation phase of the previous bear market in late 2018. Now, before I break down our next story of the day and I share these 2 risk factors which could delay the Bitcoin bull market according to on-chain analyst Willy Woo, as well as here's when alt season rocket takes off according to crypto trader Tyler Swope, as well as top trader expecting massive rallies in Bitcoin and Ethereum before 2022, but there's a catch. But first, let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market. We can see everything currently correcting in the blood red. Bitcoin down 6%, trading just above 33,500. How low do you think she'll go? Let me know in the comments below. We have Ethereum down almost 8%, trading just above 2,000. Chainlink down a whopping 10%, now trading at $19.23. Cardano down 7%, trading at $1.31. And Polkadot down about 9%, trading just above $19. All right, now let's break down our next story of the day. Popular on-chain analyst and statistician and Bitcoin bull, the one and only Willy Woo, is unveiling 2 key factors that he believes could stall the Bitcoin price expansion. In a new tweet storm, Woo tells his 572,000 followers that he doesn't think Bitcoin has entered bear territory. Checking out his tweets here. The first thing to look at to answer, are we in a bull market? Well, bear markets start when no new buyers enter the support price, and that ain't happening. We have a healthy growth of new users joining the network. That's right, as you can see right here on your screen, brought to you by Glassnode Analytics. In addition to the growth of Bitcoin users, Woo says that the capital that was previously sitting on the sidelines is starting to make its way back into Bitcoin, as he shares here. Our primary interest is capital rotation from stablecoins back into the crypto markets. I'll say that's mainly Bitcoin, since altcoins are reducing in dominance, which is a fact. The Bitcoin dominance is back on the rise, and as you can see right here, it shows you the stablecoin ratio oscillator. The analyst adds that he's seeing on-chain signals indicate that strong hands are continuing to accumulate BTC. Quoting him again here, we had a huge sell-off by previously strong hands. Looks like new buyers that bought 1 million to 6 million ago. All of those coins that dumped onto the market need time to be reaccumulated. This is happening now. Price action looks like an accumulation bottom because of this. As you can see in this chart, Bitcoin moving between the weak and strong hands. And looking at the network to value transaction metric, which is calculated by dividing the market cap of Bitcoin by on-chain transactional volume, Woo says that Bitcoin is massively undervalued. Let me know if you agree with the on-chain analyst. I agree 100%. Using NVT to value the network, we are statistically oversold from fundamentals at historic levels. Note, we were devoid of a mania top before the sell-off. This sell-off happened when the price was well within fair value, so it doesn't match the start of the bear season. And while Willy Woo believes that the Bitcoin bull market is still intact, he says that the price expansion could be delayed if investors take a risk-off stance and move their capital to the US dollar. As he shares here, year. My only concern for downside risk is we get a major correction in equities, which will pull the Bitcoin price downwards, no matter what the on-chain fundamentals may suggest. Noticing US dollar strength on the US dollar currency index, which suggests some investors moving to safety in the US dollar, which really does blow my mind. As we all know, the value of the US dollar continues to dwindle like a melting ice cube, as Michael Saylor would say. And before I break down our next story of the day, here's when the alt season rocket takes off. According to crypto trader Tyler Swope, as well as top trader, expects massive rallies in Bitcoin and Ethereum before the end of this year. But there's a catch. But first, let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market cap, sitting back under 1.5 trillion with 70 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, and current Bitcoin dominance back at 45% even, with the ETH dominance at 17.1%, and the current Bitcoin market cap at 638 billion, with the Ethereum market cap at 243 billion. Now, checking out the top gainers within the top 100, we have AMP up almost 14% for the day, trading at 8.6 cents. Waves up 4%, trading just below $17, and XDC up 3%, trading at 6.8 cents. And now checking out the top losers, as most of the major altcoins are currently in the red. We have Quant leading the pack, down 13%, trading at $66. Thorchain down 10%, trading at $7.19. IOTA down 10.5%, trading just under 90 cents. And ICX down 10%, trading at 89 cents. Now, out of this list of the biggest gainers and losers, which altcoins are you currently most bullish on? Let me know in the comments right down below. Now, checking out one of my favorite indicators is the Crypto Greed and Fear Index. Shows we're currently rated at 21 in extreme fear. Yesterday was a 23, last week a 23, and last month a 19 in extreme fear. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity, like we're witnessing right now. BTFD, buy that freaking dip. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. All right, now let's break down our next story of the day. As crypto market continues to fumble each attempt at a recovery, crypto analyst Tyler Swope is discussing when and if the next altcoin season will arrive. Even though Bitcoin can't seem to recover above that critical 40K resistance, and Ethereum is toying with dropping down below 2,000 again, Swope tells his 253,000 subs there will be another alt season, and it will come sooner than some may think. Quoting him here, there will be more than a few other alt seasons coming this year, and a big one I project happening begins in July, which FYI is next month. Around the middle of it, there's always signs that the market wants this to happen. Yesterday, over 24 hours, out of the top 100 coins on CoinGecko, many performed better than Bitcoin. To be exact, 78 out of 100. Although they are just bubbling right now, the majority of their gains are below 5% and some even lower. They just know something is coming. It's a bubble, and July is when it rockets. Let me know if you agree with this crypto analyst that in the middle of July we witnessed the next major alt season. The trader references a tweet from under the radar crypto enthusiast Crypto Sultan 21 and agrees that Bitcoin is forming a Wyckoff accumulation pattern, a schematic where an asset trends in a range-bound construction, allowing the big players to accumulate. And lo and behold, that's precisely what we've been witnessing. The big players and whales who are holding 100 to 10,000 BTC accumulating at all-time highs, which I broke down in great detail in yesterday's episode. Now, Sultan agrees that Bitcoin is about to form a bullish recovery pattern and a breakout of this phase. Quoting him here, Wyckoff is smiling from his grave. Bitcoin continues to prove the bears wrong by inching closer to a bullish reversal. Smashing through all of the resistance levels on the chart would confirm an absolute bullish trend reversal and an alt season explosion, which you can see right here on your screen. Swope says that the chart indicates that once Bitcoin breaks back above 50,000, alt season may return. So that's the critical level we got to keep our eyes out on. Not only do we got to reclaim that 40K resistance, but 50,000 as well. And quoting him again here, from his chart, Bitcoin is pretty much following the Wyckoff accumulation pattern, pretty dang close. And from his chart, getting back to 50,000 will be a confirmation that the bull is back and alt season is back on. So there you have it. Let me know if you agree or disagree with this crypto analyst. And before I break down our final story of the day, top trader expects massive rallies in Bitcoin and Ethereum before the end of this year, but there is a catch. But first, I want to remind you to smash that show more button right below this video in the description for a detailed analysis of what's going on in the crypto market. This goes for all 815 plus videos right here on my YouTube channel. Also, some very helpful resources for you to plug into, including my daily letter, which goes out to over 30,000 subscribers every single day. To subscribe, visit letter.cryptonewsalerts.net. Also have a blog I update daily, which could be found at cryptonewsjust.com. Also be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit that bell icon to turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. You can also find me on all the major podcasting platforms, from Spotify, the home of the Joe Rogan Experience, to Apple's iTunes and Google Play. You can also follow me on Twitter. My Twitter handle is hard to forget. It's Crypto News Yes. And for those of you on Facebook, I do have a private crypto Facebook group entitled Crypto Alchemy. To join it, click this link, request to join. I'll be sure to plug you in. And for those of you on Telegram, I do have a private crypto Telegram chat, which is uncensored. To join it, click this link. You'll automatically be added, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you personally on the inside. And for those of you on TikTok, be sure to follow me there. All right, now let's break down our final story of the day. A closely followed crypto trader is predicting giant rallies for Bitcoin and Ethereum before the turn of the new year, but there is a catch. In a series of tweets, the pseudonymous trader and analyst known as Kaleo lays out a gargantuan prediction for Bitcoin and Ethereum in the coming months. That's right, among other things, Kaleo predicts that before 2022 rolls around, Bitcoin shatters that six-figure mark and Ethereum breaks through 10,000, all while altcoins rally hard. Checking out his predictions right here in this tweet. My predictions for the second half of 2021. Bitcoin enters six-figure price discovery. Ethereum breaks above 10,000. We see one more major alt season, more institutional/government adoption, more institutional/government FUD. Cryptunez gets a girlfriend, and bears remain bearish. However, Kaleo says that after the big rallies, the bears will take over the crypto markets. According to Kaleo, Bitcoin will experience a massive collapse. In the case of Ethereum, the trader predicts a crash well above 90% as he shares his predictions for 2022 and 2023 right here in this tweet. Bitcoin back down to about 50,000, Ethereum back down below 1,000, alts die once again. Bears who were bearish the whole way up from here to the top call for infinite clout. Major regulation comes against crypto. People call Bitcoin dead again, but it isn't. So there you have it. Kaleo also says that by the end of the bull run, most altcoins will melt down and destroy traders who are too heavily invested in them, as he shares in this tweet. Point I'm making with alts is basically everyone is going to get rugged eventually if the majority of your capital remains in ish coins. It's that simple. Plenty of money to be made on the way up, more to lose on the way down. All a part of the game. Yeah, a few will survive, and a good number will end up higher than where they are now in 2024, 2025. But in order for you to see that, you'll have to be one of those people that forgot about your worthless bag you held on an exchange you gave up on a long time ago and rediscover one day it actually isn't worthless. So there you have it. And he also says, all that to be said, I love the game and I will continue to play. LOL. So what are your thoughts surrounding these predictions from Crypto Kaleo? Let me know if you agree with a six-figure Bitcoin price and Ethereum at 10,000 before the end of the year, or you disagree, and also regarding the alt season with alts and most of them being destroyed in the years to come. Holla at your boy. Now for a quick recap of what I covered with you right here in today's show. Bitcoin price dips below 34,000 as Day of Grayscale's giant BTC unlock-in draws near. We also discussed what it means this recent death cross all analysts are currently talking about. Also in today's show, we discussed these two risk factors which could delay the Bitcoin bull market according to on-chain analysts Willy Woo. Also in today's show, we discussed when the next alt season rocket takes off according to crypto trader Tyler Swope, as well as top trader expecting massive rallies in Bitcoin and Ethereum before the end of this year. But there is a catch. We're talking about Crypto Kaleo's predictions for the second half of 2021, which include Bitcoin entering six-figure price discovery and Ethereum breaking above $10,000. So where do you feel the Bitcoin price is likely to go next? How low will she go? Let me know in the comments right down below. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this incredible crypto matrix. If you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right, and turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, including weekends, just like this. And real quick, before I go, I want to give a special shout out to our sponsor, BlockFi, where you can put your crypto to work and earn a 5% annual percentage yield with their BlockFi interest account. You could also earn a 10% APY on select stablecoins, and their new flagship product is BlockFi Bitcoin Rewards Visa credit card, which allows you to earn 3.5% back in Bitcoin on all purchases within your first 90 days. They also recently ditched their annual fee, truly making this a no-brainer. Take advantage of it today. You also receive up to a $250 crypto bonus with a deposit of $100 or more. All you need to do is use my referral link in the description right down below. Let's start stacking those sats. Claim your BlockFi Bitcoin Rewards Visa credit card today, and I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.